This video is about our tram ride in London from Dundonald Road to Beckenham Junction. The reason we decided to make this video is because we moved from Hong Kong, and then when I was in Hong Kong, I just loved the tram. So I think the best way to explore a city is by the tram because it's nice and slow and it goes through the city. So what I wanted to do is explore London through tram, and there's just one tram line available if I'm not wrong, and that's what this video is all about. So enjoy the tram ride. I hope you enjoyed some of the pictures that I shared of the tram from Hong Kong. Alright, let's begin with the tram ride in London.
Dundonald Road tram station. This is the tram station, and then so the next tram is coming in 2 minutes. And basically, you don't have to buy the ticket. You can pay by contactless. So I'll just use my Citibank card. So here you just have to tap your card here. It's tapped. So now I am ready to go. Let's go back here. I'll show you something quickly. If you come here, it shows you few things. So this will right now we are going to the Wimbledon station, which is in this direction, and then we are going all the way the whole tram ride to that end. I don't remember the name of that stop, but then I'll put it later. I'll tell you later. So yeah, so we're going to excited about the tram ride. We've never had a tram ride before in London.
Where are you going tonight?
Tonight I'm going to Woking.
Today's the last day in London.
Today is my last day in London, and then I won't be in London at least for 2 months, but we don't know after 2 months. Okay, come. And here we see the tram coming. This is our tram, yes. Alright, so we reached the Wimbledon station now, the tram station. This is the tram that we came by, and there you see the other tram. From there we are going to start our journey now till the end of the whole tram route. This is the Wimbledon station.
So in this part of the video, you'll now see that we are in the tram and just taking some videos capturing how the London city looks like from the tram. There's a bit of a difference that I noticed between the trams in Hong Kong and in London. It's basically the trams in Hong Kong go right to the middle of the city, and the city is in generally crowded, and then you'll see a lot of activity around, a lot of people around, a lot of cars around. But in London, since the population density is a little lesser, you see less crowd, less people, less cars. We are now passing by Lidl. Lidl is a famous supermarket in the UK. If I'm not wrong, I think it's a German supermarket, and the prices of Lidl are generally a little lower compared to other supermarkets in the UK. Since I am from Asia, one thing that I particularly like about London is the number of parks in London. So if you see here, the tram is going right next to a park now. It's a big, looks like a big park. They're all beautiful. So London has a lot of parks and they're all beautiful. I hope you enjoyed the tram ride with me. And if you live in London or if you're traveling to London, please try them because that's the best way to view any city. If you're visiting Hong Kong, please try them there as well. So yeah, if you are traveling to any city which has trams in it, I would highly recommend trying the trams in that city because seriously, it's the best way to see a city without actually having to walk.
And this is the tram. You can take the tram.